Hindustan Petroleum Corporation of India Limited recruitment for the post of engineer. Excellent opportunity for those who are looking after for the post of engineers. This notification is HPCL recruitment without gate. So this is official notification, and the commencement of online application will start from 3rd of March 2021 and last date is 15th April 2021. And remember, the age criteria is 25 years for every post, every category, and there are vacancies for mechanical, civil, electrical, instrumentation. For mechanical engineer there are 120 vacancies. This is the E2 cadre. The pay level will be very high. And for civil engineer there are 30 vacancies. This is also E2 cadre, and maximum age is 25 years. And for electrical engineer there are 25 vacancies, and maximum age is 25 years. This is also E2 cadre. For instrumentation there are 25 vacancies. This is also E2 cadre. Maximum age is 25 years, and the qualification for different streams is a bachelor degree in different disciplines as well. So this is a category wise distribution for different categories. There are 20 posts for SC category, and ST 18 posts, and OBC 49, EWS 20, and unreserved 93. Total of 200 vacancies. This is a huge vacancy. This is through this is not through gate exam. This is, they are going to conduct a separate exam for this recruitment. The eligibility criteria here, the eligibility criteria is 4 years full-time regular engineering course with a minimum of 60% marks in engineering, and 50% for SC/ST PWD candidates and relevant. And if there is a CGPA, or if your college is having a CGPA criteria, there should be a letter which should be how much CGPA is equivalent percentage. There should be CGPA to percentage conversion letter from the respective university. The selection procedure will consist of a computer based examination followed by a group task and personal interview. So there is a three-type process: computer based examination, group discussion, that is group task, and personal interview. And the computer based following test will not have any negative marking, that is no negative marking. Will consist of general aptitude, which consists of English, quantitative aptitude, that is intellectual potential test. So computer based consists of aptitude, English language, and reasoning, that is intellectual potential test means reasoning, which comes under verbal, non-verbal, and some of the psychometry things. And for technical, that is professional knowledge, which relevant discipline you will belong to, that is qualifying degree. So this is a CBT examination will be conducted, and there will not be any negative marks for this CBT. And after that they will scrutinize based on the number of vacancies, and they will be eligible for group task and personal interview. So this is the procedure and shortlisting and selection procedure, and this is the weightage for different for computer based test there is 85% weightage, and for group task 5% weightage, and for personal interview 10% weightage, and final scoring will be of all this constituting 85% weightage in computer based test, and 5% for group task, and 10% for personal interview. And remember, the package is very interesting. This is the E2 cadre, E2 grade, and the package, that is pay scale, will be from 50,000 to 1,60,000. It is around 15.17 lakhs per annum. The excellent package. So those who are eligible, please do apply. And now we will see what is the application last date. Will end at 15th April 2021, and the application fees for different categories, for unreserved and OBC category, 1000 plus 18% of GST, that is 1180. This is to be paid for application fees. and for SC/ST there is no fees at all, that they are exempted for application fees. So this is the recruitment notification for the post of engineers and for different posts in the HPCL for different vacancies: mechanical, civil, electrical, instrumentation. So this is regarding HPCL. The link to apply for this is given in the description. Please do check this description. Thank you. Have a great day.